Here's how you're going to make a video recommendation on the Novel Inventions website. First thing you're going to need to do is create a video and upload it to YouTube. Here's one that we made over the summer. It was for a different project called Monster Hunters, but that's what we're going to use for this example. First thing I need to do is log into the Novel Inventions website by going to affiliate.wcu.edu/novelinventions-wp-admin. It's going to ask you to log in. You should have a username and a password. And then solve this little math problem to prove that you're a human. Click Login. This is where you create your video recommendation page. Hover over the word New and choose Post. Then you're going to add the title for your post. Again, in our example, we're calling this Monster Hunters, but this would be the name of your book. The next thing you're going to do is click Use the Divi Builder. Then we're going to load a new layout. So click Load Layout, go to one of our saved layouts, and the one we want is called Video Recommendation. This will load into the window. You're going to have this little extra at the top that you don't need, so go ahead and click this little X in the blue row. That will remove it. We also don't want to have the sidebar showing, so we're going to, under the Divi page settings for page layout, set this to full width. That gets rid of the sidebar on this page. Now we're going to go ahead and add your video. So I'm going to go back over to my YouTube and I'm going to copy the URL. You can copy the URL at the top of the screen, or if you're using a phone app, usually under the video you'll see a button that says Share, similar to this one, and inside that you will find the URL. Go back to your page, and in the Paste YouTube link here, click the 3 lines to open the module settings. Paste in the URL for the video you copied earlier from YouTube, and for the image overlay, just click Generate from Video. This is going to make a little picture that will go over the top of your video. You can see it here. When you're done, click Save and Exit. The next thing you need to do is set the text for your page. So again, click the 3 lines next to where it says text in the gray bar. This is where you'll put your book name. Again, our example, it's Monster Hunters. Your student name, and your school name. You may also want to include a short description of why you're recommending this book. I enjoyed reading this book. Watch my video to find out why. Once you've entered that information in, go ahead and click Save and Exit. You next need to set a category. So on the right hand side you'll see this section called Categories, and in here there's one that says Video Recommendation. When you check that, this makes sure that your video shows up on the correct page on the site. You can also set a featured image if you would like to. You could upload an image that you've taken. I'll take a screenshot of this page. I'm going to have that show up as my featured image. I say Set Featured Image, and then I need to select the file that I want to upload. And this one, it was a screenshot that I took. I'm going to upload that screenshot. There you can see it. I say Set Featured Image. It shows that it's there. And now I can either hit the Publish button or the Submit for Review button, depending on what your permission level is. Since I can publish, I'm going to go ahead and hit Publish. Once that's done publishing, you'll see if I go back to the main page of the site and click Video Recommendations, there's my video recommendation. It has the little picture we added as the featured image. It has the title that we entered, Monster Hunters. It has the description that we entered. And when we click on it, you can see the video by clicking the play button. I hope this was helpful, and you have a great day.